Well, we're doing another oil change in the car here. We're gonna see how bad she is. Last oil change didn't turn out too nice. Yeah. Well, better open the vent. There we go. Drain plug is still covered in a lot of shit. And for being really new oil, I mean, like we're just talking a couple of runs on it. That is nasty. If you look, I don't know if the camera can pick it up. There's a little bit of a silver streak in her as she's coming out. It's a glare on the camera lens there. Silver streak kind of went away now. Adjust my light here. Oop. What the hell's that shit? Oh, that's not good. No clue what the hell that crap is. It's like, no, don't dip my phone in oil now. The hell would be like white? I mean, cream would be like coolant, but that's like white, white. Yeah, well, I am taking this car to the drag strip. That is happening. So, this winter might be, see if I can salvage the other LT1 block that came out of this car. Make sure that spun bearing didn't wreck nothing. A spun cam bearing, and rebuild that engine, because this one is junk. Huh. Well, that is a big kick in the nuts. Yep. We'll grab the drain plug here. There is a lot of shit on there yet. Oh, that's lame. Lame.